Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade live stream. I'm Vivian. I'm at LibTriple on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Daryl at Darzu on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joey at JWonder on the MakeCode forum.
And we have a plan today. The plan is, wait, Richard, do you want to explain the plan?
Yeah, so this is based off a mini game from Kirby Nightmare in Dreamland, which is a game that many of us remember fondly for the Game Boy Advance. And it was a quick draw game. And the idea was that you would be standing against your opponent with, music playing. And then all of a sudden it would say draw. And you would press A as fast as you can. And if you were faster than your opponent, you would win. Otherwise, you would lose. And you would keep going with each of your opponents getting faster and faster until you beat whatever the final one is.
What happens if you lose?
If you lose, you go back to the beginning.
I see. Okay, so I have a list of what we're going to do. And our theme is dogs versus robots. So we are the robots fighting against dogs with jobs because we want to take their jobs. And the dogs are like, no. So
and you might be thinking, wouldn't you want to be the dog in this scenario? Because dogs are way better. Yes, but we want to draw more dogs and we want to draw robots, which is why this has ended up like it has.
Yes, one robot. I will draw the robot. Add new kind. I guess it could be player. I don't think the kinds matter. So I'm going to make a robot. And I think you guys have to decide which dogs are faster than the other dogs. I don't want to take a part in this. I cannot have more enemies.
You got it. I'll take the heat.
Okay, good. Well, that's the wrong color. I didn't want that color. I'm making a robot. I don't know if I've ever met a robot before in real life.
Met one. At Microsoft, actually.
Where? What kind of robot?
The Sphero one?
No, it's in Microsoft Research, there are robots that give you directions.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Like around the building?
Yep.
That's ideal.
You'd be like, I'm looking for so-and-so's office, and then it'll point you in the direction.
Great. Before, I would always leave like 20 minutes before a meeting, so then I could wander around the building until I found it. And then I would stand outside so I could chit-chat with whoever else was early. But nobody else was early because they didn't leave 20 minutes early. So I would just stand by myself. Okay, this is a robot that has wheels that are like conveyor belts, so then it can walk around on all terrains. And it can fight against all kinds of dogs. Oh, also the sprites are 50 by 50 because it is the optimal sprite size. I'm going to give an antenna for communications. Okay, good enough I'll give it some shading on the back. That's like a vent. Is it a vent? Is it shading? It's multi-purposed. Robots are highly efficient. Okay, maybe I'll give it an arm too, so we can, What are the robots doing? It's automating jobs. So I guess, what is it holding? A notebook?
Yeah, that seems good.
Okay, give it a notebook.
Maybe we should make it they're like assisting at jobs.
Mm-hmm.
So that we're not putting these dogs out of work.
Yeah, the dogs like having jobs. That's what I've heard scientifically, but I've never had a dog. Richard, as our dog expert?
Yes.
Nice. I want a dog. Okay, cool. It's a robot doing work. Okay, and I'm going to make another sprite.
We fill up our quarter jar. We'll get one.
Can't we get some dogs for free?
Yeah, but you got to pay for like the food and stuff.
They can eat my food. They can eat Joey's food. Take it from Joey's food allowance.
Are you okay with that, Joey?
Yes.
Yes. This is going to be a temp dog.
That's a good job.
Thank you. Rename variable temporary dog. It won't be a dog for long. New variable. robot.
We discussed some jobs beforehand. So, Joey, what job are you drawing? And Daryl?
I'm drawing politician dog.
I'm gonna draw. Pottery dog.
Ooh, that's a good job. I want to know,
Okay.
how did this pottery dog expand its business? Okay.
Word of mouth.
Wait, so am I drawing the dog with like, its work thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So the way I think I should control what happens is by game states. And so state 0 will be standing, doing nothing state. And 1 will be after draw is triggered, wait for buttons. And then 2, results. We'll see if this is comprehensive, putting this up here. Okay, so game state to 0. So that on game update, we can just do things depending on what state we are in. If game state is 0.
Important question. What's the background color going to be?
Ooh, yes, I want to make it something. Good point. I always make it black and then we'll change it too late and then everything is not good. I'll make it tan, kind of
I'm
dusty.
just going to put mine on a transparent background. That's okay.
I just want to make sure that like the outline or the color choice and stuff doesn't make it look invisible.
Oh, yeah. I think we're doing outlines. I think that was the decision.
Yeah, I'll do outline, but even so, like sometimes, tan on tan.
Yeah, no. I didn't mean to say that was a bad question. It is a good question.
Sweet. Okay. So that tan.
Okay.
Okay. And then dog. Okay, so I'm making a function, place robot and dog. And I think this function will be useful in the future. So it's just going to place the robot in the bottom left and the dog in the top right. And then place the dog top right. Okay. And then I'm going to call my function. Sorry, dog. Now I feel conflicted. Do I want to call my functions or not? Because if I call them, no dog. Be sad.
True.
Okay.
It's a dilemma.
Okay. Amazing. Looks so good. Game state is 0. Then time since start. Time since start. And then no, start time. It's going to be called start time. Start time. And this is going to set the time for when we first place the robot and the dog. So it's going to be in game. Yes, set this. And then maybe I'll make a function, start level 1. Start level, number, level. Okay. And then if level equals 0, level equals 0, game, no, draw text time length. Okay, we'll give you lots of time on the first level. So it'll be like 2 seconds. Okay, and on game update, if game state is equal to 0, then we're going to check to see if we should draw the thing. If draw text time length plus get start time. Okay, and time since start, duplicate. If the time that we are currently at is greater than or equal to math. Okay, and then if we've passed enough time, if that's true, then we're gonna do something. So we're gonna say words. Okay, make a new function. Say big words. It's gonna be it's gonna be text, words, and then a number, color. outline. Outline color. That's a better
Oh
word.
no, I forgot to do 50 by 50.
Oh no, what'd you do?
It's okay. I made a 60 by 16. It was very hard.
That's okay. Because of perspective, that'll mean it's a very large dog compared to our robot. Okay, and then text sprite, we're gonna make a text sprite to be of words. And then there's a new block in here that Daryl added, outline, which is different from border. And we're gonna set the outline to be outline color. And then we're going to call this function. No, not this one. Say big words. Draw. What if it was robots competing against artist dogs to be artists and they were like, draw, and then they have to draw pictures? It's too late.
And you put a little easel next to them. And then if it was too slow, you would just see like a bunch of scribbles.
Oh my God.
And if it was fast enough, it would be like a really nice piece of art.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to set the game state to be 1. Okay, next time we have to do something that uses the draw pun. It'll be great. Okay, and I'm going to position my text sprite. I've did a lot of text positioning before, and I learned that I should position it after I make it a new size. Progress. Oh no, it should be text sprite. Text sprite. Miscellaneous. Okay, play. I think we've decided that anything I sing on stream is under parody. We're good. Okay, I'll make everything dynamic later. So I want all the words to be like shoom, and all people be like shoom, but that's too much work for now. So that'll be later. Okay, also this should be 70. Okay, and then we're going. Okay, so I'm going to make a. Okay, I'm going to bring in my favorite extension, the data extension. Arcade sprite data. Because I think I need to know things about the dog before I make the next part. Okay, and we're gonna make a new dog. Oh, start level. Oh, draw time length. I didn't call this function, but I wasn't confused about it, but I think that means quarter. Okay, start level 0. Place dog and robot. Oh wait, put this up. Okay, and I'm gonna make it a sprite. Listomania. I like lists. Something. Okay, not easily expected. I'm going to add some data to the dog, which is going to be draw speed, or no, draw time, temporary dog, draw time. So a shorter time means a faster speed. So this one's going to be slow. It's going to take 1 second. Okay. And then calling that. Okay, cool. So if game state equals 1, then we're going to see what happens. So if A button is pressed, controller, A button pressed, else we're going to see if the dog draws. Give priority to the controller. So we're going to do something similar to this, except, oh, we're going to set a new variable here. Yes. And it's going to be called draw start time. I think these are going to be confusing. Okay, and that's going to be time since start. And then time since start, and it's going to be draw start time. Draw text time length. Oh, that's confusing. Plus, and this is going to be, oh yes. So instead of it's calling it temporary dog, I'm going to rename it to be current dog. And we're going to get the current dog's draw time. So get the value as a number, current dog, draw time. Okay, else if that, else nothing happens. Okay. And what am I going to say? I'm going to say some big words first to make sure things are going as good as expected. Oh yes, also I don't want this color to be 1. I want this color to be purple 10. Draw 10. And then if it's good, I want it to be green 7, and if it's bad, I'll make it pink 3. 7 3 7 3 7 3 7 3 7. And it's sad 3. Okay, let's see. First, I won't push anything, so the dog should be faster than me. Feel like the dog should have drawn by now. Okay. Oh wait, game state equals 1. Might be. Sorry, dog. Was not your fault. Okay, go. Draw. Sad. Okay. Let's try it again. This time I'll push the button after I see draw. Good. Okay. Cool. So then, I'm going to change the game state to 2.
This is not the best dog I've ever drawn.
Oh no. What is the best dog you've ever drawn?
I like the dog I drew last week because it was good enough that someone was able to recognize what the breed was.
Okay. And so anytime we say a big words, we're going to destroy all sprites of words kind. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to get an array of sprites kind text because I don't want this overlapping nonsense happening. It is confusing. It is not clear. So we're going to delete.
Right. No nonsense live stream.
Yes, exactly. Business only.
Dog business.
One of my friends just got a dog, and I'm going to be the dog father.
Nice.
But I don't know how I'll get the dog if he dies. Okay, cool. Say big words. Very clear. Let's see if I'm faster than a dog. Good. Great. Oh my gosh. This is going awesome. Okay. And then we're going to set a new variable. Wait, okay. Okay, if it's bad, I'm going to set you back to level 0. Start level 0. Is that too fast? No. Yeah, that'll be too fast. I'll just make a new state. Game state equals 2. I feel like things need to happen. Okay, so if it's good, I'm gonna send paper over to the dog. So I'm gonna make a function. Or what should we do if we win? Win effect. What are robots good at? Lasers.
Yep. And saying beep boop.
Okay, so it'll say beep boop and then make lasers and the dog will leave. I think I need to bring in the storytelling extension at this point. It's gone on long enough without anything dramatic. Wait, there's so much happening here. Where is the story's not here?
No.
Okay.
If someone would hurry up and put it in there.
Are you talking about yourself?
Sorry, myself. It was out of line.
You gotta be nicer to yourself, Richard. There are so many things to do. Okay. So when we start the level, we're gonna place the robot and dog, and we're gonna give them some motion. Move. Robot. 2. X equals Oh, okay. So I'll start it at 0. And I'll move it to 30. 30. 93 with speed. Slow, because it's dramatic. And then dog. Start at, what's the screen width? 160. I'll start it at 200. And it will move to, what was that number before? 130. 130. 14. Speed 10. Okay. Do I need to put these in Q story parts? I think no. Great.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, great. 160. I'll start you at 160 because the dog took too long to come. Okay, so now we have to decide when to say draw.
Oh, you should do a Q story part for that. So you would do a Q story part for the move, and then another Q story part after it, and then you would do the draw in there.
Oh, can I put it in a separate function?
Yes. But you don't need to if you put it in there, because then you can just do the Q story part and you can pause the amount of time.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think this needs to be not here. I'll just Q story part, and then I'll.
Yeah, you can leave the code, like the rest of the code as is.
Yeah.
But like,
okay.
I think you want the pause in the in the second Q story part, but before you say draw.
Oh. Why?
Because then they'll move in, and then it'll pause.
Oh.
They draw.
Yes, I forgot what the draw was supposed to be for. Pause. Okay, I'll pause longer. Sad. Don't be sad.
You should pause for a random amount of time so that you have to guess it.
Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, cool. That's working. So how much do we pause for? It could be half a second.
Maybe
Richard.
Maybe like 1,500 to like 5,000.
Okay.
So
Wow.
sometimes it'll just be like, oh my God.
Oh my
The tension.
You gotta break a sweat. Ah, okay, sad. Okay, so game state equals 1. So we're not doing anything here. Game state equals 1. Then, oh yes, draw start time. Okay, I think this dog is too fast. Must be slower. Give me some time. 3 seconds for testing. Make sure the dog is waiting properly. Okay, cool. And I'll try it one time with me just to make sure it works. Great. Okay, so now if we do good, then we're going to shoot. We're going to have it say beep boop, say small robot say words. I'll make another function. Robot say words. Text. Words. Then we're going to do this. Can I give it a new kind? No. Maybe later I can. This will be 16. Oh, and it'll say this words. Don't know if I had to do that. Position to be over here. Okay, when effect. So we're going to call this function. And then, I'll put it in a Q story part. And then I'll make another Q story part, and then it'll have lasers. I think I need to put a pause. Here. Here.
Is there a pause in your beep boop?
No, I'll put a pause in there. this out? I don't.
Yeah, that should work.
Okay, cool. What's the difference between this one and that one?
There isn't really a difference, but everything that's in the second Q story part will run after the first one. And I always like to put the pauses that are like with the thing that they're doing. So if I'm having words show up for a certain amount of time, I'll pause in that one and then, have the thing come up next.
I see. That makes sense. Very organized. Okay. And then we make lasers. Then I'm going to bring in dogs and we'll have many dogs doing many things. Make a new kind. Lasers. And then call it laser beam sprite. And then okay, so then we'll call one effect. One effect if we push the A. Okay, let's see. This is so slow. That's okay. Okay, so the text needs to be smaller. The lasers need to be more dramatic. And the text needs to be higher. Okay, text needs to be smaller. The lasers need to be, text needs to be higher. So that'll be like here. And the lasers need to be more dramatic. Okay. And then maybe I'll give it a small animation for the robot to be like, because it has those wheels for something.
Much harder to draw big things than it is little things.
I agree. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, yes, robot dog position. So it's 30, 93. So I'm going to move it back at the end. I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, 30, 93. And where am I going to move it to? I'll move it to 40, 83 with speed pretty fast. That's pretty good. Okay, and I don't need to put pause because that's in the brown block. Draw. Good. Very nice. The lasers could be bigger. So let's make them bigger. Wider is going to be 80 and the taller 60. Very nice. Bring the lasers down and extend them. Oh no, that's not a line. Mr. Mania. Something, something, something. Okay, not easily offended. Okay, I'm okay with that. And then if we lose effect, the dog will say woof. Make a new function. Dogs say words. It'll be exactly the same as robot, except a new position. Maybe I should have just made, I'm sticking by my guns. This is a good way to do it. Oh, I forgot to give it a parameter. Edit function, text, words. Then we'll position it over here. Our characters are very verbose. Dogs say words. Woof.
All the time.
Q story part. Okay, it's not gonna have lasers. It's going to move it. I know what I'm doing. I'm clicking back and forth because I'm waiting for the thing on the bottom to show up. But that's not what happens. I'm just gonna figure out what position I need to put 130, 14. So it's going to be 120, 24 with speed 100. And then I'll do another one. 130, 14. Okay. And then I'll put a Q story part here. And then here we'll Q story part to be start level 0 again. It's a never-ending game until you win.
Game isn't over till it's over.
True. Wait, I wanted that function. Come back. Okay. Current level. Current level. Call it current level +1. No, change current level by 1. Change current level by 1. And then call current level. No, call start level. I can't get my variable from there. Get it from here. Okay. And then set current level to 0 at the beginning. Set current level to 0. Okay. And then I'll just put it in there for beauty's sake. Okay. Now, is that everything that needs to happen? I'll just do if level equals 1. And then else, game over, win. And then I'll grab a dog for testing. Whose dog should I grab first? Oh my gosh, Dogmare! Gotta see that.
Wait,
Okay,
we
so
got Dogmare?
we got Dogmare.
Yeah.
Okay, so first off, we have a dog by Joey. It is 50 by 50. This dog has a job. Wait, where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? Here's my mouse. Cute. What's on its chest, Joey?
It's a campaign pin.
Oh.
It says mayor, but it's a little bit hard to read because there's only like 3 pixels there.
Yep, I see it. I understand. What is dog player's position on bones?
Pro bones.
Pro bones.
He does a lot of his work for a cost, not pro bono. He wants bones. He doesn't want to do it without being given bones.
Okay, wait, I'm going to destroy current dog in the other place. Destroy current dog. I'm sorry, dog. Destroy current dogs. And
They'll
then
forgive you.
what?
I said they'll forgive you.
Oh, that's reassuring, but I still feel bad. Is Mayor Dog fast or slow, Joey?
They'll react with change over time, so you can be pretty slow.
Okay, I'll give it 2 seconds. That's pretty slow. And then draw text time length. I'm pretty sure I'm not using that variable anymore. Okay, let's see if we destroy the first dog, if we go get Mayor Dog. Very good. I'll work on the timing later. Let's see. Good. I win. Okay, let's see if we get destroyed by Mayor Dog, if we get sent back to first dog. Okay, I'll fix that later. Sad. Oh no. Okay, the robot shouldn't go. It should be the dog. Okay, everything is working exactly as planned. So lose effect. This has to be current dog. This has to be current dog. What am I doing? Okay. I need to destroy the lasers. I need to fix some timing things. So I'll look at it again and decide on one problem and then fix it. Okay. So I will win as a robot. Okay. Wait, too much happened at once. I don't know what's wrong. Everything's wrong. Okay. So we got to destroy the lasers before we do the next part. Say big words, you can go away. Robot say words can go away too. And then dog say words can go away. Okay. So we when effect, that's in Q story parts. And then I will put a pause. Wait, I don't need to put a pause there. I will destroy the lasers, Q story part. Destroy the lasers.
Let's see. Eventually, I think it'd be good to add in like an interstitial like introduction. So it's like dog mayor. And then it shows the dog mayor, but it's just a big screen and it shows it in big text.
Yes, I like that. Okay. I'm going to clean this up.
I like it because it'll help clarify what our art is supposed to be.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to clean this up and then do that. Somebody remind me so I don't forget. Okay. So I'm going to, it's going to draw. Okay. What's wrong with that? It was too fast between this, I think. So I'll put a pause here. 1 second. Then I'll see if this makes sense. I think being a movie director would be hard.
I don't know. I think I could do it pretty well. I have nothing to base that off of, but yeah.
Okay, and now I know what else needs to happen. I need to destroy all the words. So, all right, and I don't remember if these are the same kind. They're all the same kind. Okay, so I'll just where's my, okay, I'm going to make this into a function. Destroy all words. Destroy all words. Bring this out. Call this function before I forget. No confusion. Then I'll call this again from here. Destroy all words. Destroy laser beam spray. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, and maybe as they're scrolling in, it should say, okay, this is too high up. It should say who they are, what their positions are. So 14 is it needs to be at least 25. 25. Oh, no, Daryl's is 60, so it needs to be at least 30.
No, so mine's 50 by 50.
Oh, okay.
I originally did a 16 by 16.
Oh, I see. Yes, that's perfect for perspective. I think I heard 60 by 60. Okay.
Gotcha.
And okay, we'll have big text here. Say functions. Say big words. And then we'll say something on it. We'll add text to the sprite. Current dog. Current dogs. Title. Dog. Should it be like robot versus dog? Is that what it should say?
I would just imagine it showing up mayor dog or something because I'm not sure how much space we have. But
yeah,
okay.
I like that more actually.
Okay, sounds good. And you want mayor dog?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then we'll say big words. We'll get our string. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba. What's the name of that song? Dogs.
What?
Ba-da-da, da-da.
The Spy movie song.
Isn't that the
No, Western movie.
Oh,
right?
That's not the one I was thinking of when I heard you.
Ba-ba, ba-ba-ba-ba, ba-ba, ba-ba-ba-ba.
What song is that?
Ba-ba-ba-ba.
I don't know what that is.
now.
Oh. What dog breed is that again? I like that one.
The orange one?
Yeah.
It's a friendly dog.
Okay.
ABC. Oh, right. Wait. It's confused. Current dogs title. Did I place robot and dog? I placed it at the end. Data to string. Say big words. Current dog data as string. Why is this default text? Did I not bring it over here? No.
The ABC is higher up, isn't it? It's like a couple story parts back.
Thank you. I put it into the wrong hole. Good call. Good call. Dog. Oh, yes. And I wanted that to be 8. This should be 8.
Shannon says she's very excited to see what game we're making.
Aww. I think it should say it for only a short time. So then I'll give it a lifespan. Say big words. I can do that because it's a sprite. Set. Text sprite. Lifespan. Lifespan.
So some context. Shannon can see what sprites we are posting in the chat, but it's not on stream today, so she doesn't know what game we're actually making. That wasn't for you, Vivian. That was for the people at home.
Yes, I got you. Oh, what happens if you push it before the time is up?
You can't push it again.
Oh, but I see. If we push it before draw, then we'll be destroyed.
You overheat as a robot. You're not prepared properly for your laser.
Okay, so I'm going to say that's a lose condition. Cannot be overeager with the button pressing. We'll say...
You should make a thing come up that just says, that's a lose.
I will do that. Say big words. That's a lose. Ooh. That's too long. That's bad. Sorry, Richard. I had to edit you.
Okay.
Random color 3. I don't know what color that is. Maybe red. I'm going to say red. That's bad.
3.
That was pink. Bad. I'll just say bad. Edit myself.
Nope.
And then it'll call start level 0. Oh, also I need to change current level to be 0 here. Function. Set current level to 0. And then put it up here. Okay, that's everything. Bad. Oh no. Okay, so destroy current dock. I probably should put this in a function. It's too late. I'm committing to this. Bad. Maybe I should just game over in that case. How dare you?
Yeah.
Do that.
You're trying to cheat. That's not okay.
Exactly. Game over, lose.
I think it should say too early, though, so that they know why it's game over.
Too early. Oh, no. Okay, I'll pause it.
Yeah.
Wait, can I do that? I can do that in an on-game update. That's the right. It's the okay one.
With a game, with a Q-story part, you can.
Okay.
You can't pause in a non-game update itself.
Oh, okay. Q story part, because that tells us to do it later. I'm understanding Q story part now. Okay. Wait.
All right. We've got some theories from Shannon.
What?
Oh,
These are good theories. These will be future games, I think.
So Daryl asked Shannon what her theories were on what game we're making, and Daryl, do you want to read the results?
Yeah, Shannon thinks it might be an interview segment of the Dog Pageant Championships.
Which is always left out of dog shows, and I think it's really... I want to know how they feel about world peace.
A dog dating simulator. Animal Crossing, but with Dogtown, a town of dogs. Rate the Dog, a game where if you enter any number under 10, you lose immediately.
I'm not driving, so she is right. That would have been the winner if I was driving.
I really like Dog Dating Simulator. We've never made a game like that before. Okay.
It's hard to draw
There's.
spaghetti though with pixel art, no?
Hmm?
I said it's hard to draw spaghetti with pixel art though.
Mm.
You can't get that. It's not easy to make the scene where you're both sipping it at once.
Mm. I don't know any other part of Lady and the Tramp except for that. Oh,
Nobody
okay,
does.
So let's see what other dogs we have. It is dog time. So let me just copy this over first so I don't forget. We have a Richard dog. And it is 50 by 50?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Paste. What's it holding in its mouth?
The book.
Oh!
Oh, that's so good. I love it.
Okay. What do you want its name to be, and how long should it take?
Library dog.
Library dog. I think I need to edit the text thing to handle more words. Okay. And then number
1500.
1500. Okay. I'm going to add all the dogs first, and then I'll deal with the text issue. Okay, if level equals.
I feel like a second and a half is a very long amount of reaction time.
What is this, Richard? Aren't librarian dogs the fastest dogs in the world?
Yeah, you got to give them like 500 milliseconds.
200.
I'm going to call your mom. Oh, 200? Okay.
You don't have her number.
I can find it somehow. I don't know. Oh, detective dog?
Reporter dog.
Oh, reporter dog. Love. Oh, what happened? Oh, yes. Okay. That's okay. Bring this dog to be reporter dog. And then draw time. How fast is the reporter dog?
They got to be pretty quick to get the right scoops. So it's got to be like, I don't know. We probably don't want to go below 200 because that's pretty speedy. Maybe like 500.
500. Oh, man. Okay. Librarian dog. Moving up the ladder. Level 4. 4. Current dog. Here we go. A Daryl dog. What's it gonna be? No. What did I do? What? That's weird.
Is that actually a rabbit or is it a dog?
It's a dog.
Okay.
It's a Potter dog.
I like that it's. No, Daryl, you go.
He's a Harry Potter.
I think you murdered Vivian.
Look, there's only once in my life I'm going to be able to make a pun that good.
I like that you had a vision for your dog and you stuck by it. Did you come up with the title first?
No, that was afterwards.
Harry Potter. Okay, and how is it a fast dog? Is it a slow dog?
No, he's slow. He's chill. He knows he's got this, so he's not in a rush.
Okay, so maybe 1 second. It's a nice round number, like a dog would like a round pot. Harry Potter. Gosh. Okay, let's make. Wait, do I have more dogs?
Ooh, is Sonny gonna make a guess?
Okay, no, that's all the dogs. That's all the dogs.
I have another dog coming in a sec, but he's not quite done yet.
Okay, I'm gonna fix the text in the meantime. In the meantime, where is say big words? Okay. So I feel like there's many ways that this could be handled. I can make all the text smaller, or I can see the length of the word and change. I'm going to do that. If length of word is less than something, we're going to make one big one. Otherwise, we're going to make it smaller, or I can make 2 length of word is smaller than 5. It's pretty big text. Else. Oh, actually, I'll first make it smaller, and I'll change it if needed. Max font height here. Otherwise, what's the one smaller than 32? 24. Do 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 do.
Oh, you mean like ba wah wah wah?
Yeah, I didn't know the wah was what was gonna be essential for you to understand what I was talking about.
Yeah, that's the good, bad, and the ugly theme song, right?
Wah 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 wah. Yes, it's.
Yeah.
Is that from like a movie?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the good, bad, and the ugly.
Oh, okay. Like
I feel
some.
like that became the quintessential, Western suspenseful sound.
Very good. Okay, there's a bug in my code so that this doesn't work at all. Draw. Good. Beep boop. Mayor dog. Okay, yes, the text needs to be dealt with. Okay. Else we're gonna make 2 text sprites.
Should we split on spaces? That's
How do I
probably
do
tedious and
split this at space? Can this be space? And what does this return?
We have that block. Well, that'll be an array, right?
Oh, okay.
And then you just make one for each. I didn't know we had a split.
But what if
block.
it doesn't have spaces?
Yeah, I cannot believe that made the cut, but I'm into it.
Split should just return an array containing only the original, right? If it doesn't have space, I mean, I can just test that in.
Okay.
If it doesn't have spaces, yeah, it should be an array with one item that is just the original string.
Okay. But if it's still a long word, okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, if text sprite, we're gonna make a text sprite that's text array 0. Get value at 0.
All right, another dog coming in, which isn't quite finished, but we're running out of time, so.
Oh man, oh my goodness. This went by so quickly. Okay, lots of things to do very fast. Oh no, okay. And then we'll set this text sprite position here, and then we'll set, okay, this needs to be, that's fine. I'll just set them as I go. Okay, so this one's fine. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, what happened to my meeting chat?
And then put it here. Here? No? No? I don't know. This needs to be lower. 90. And then 50. I'm still 10% confused on how it knows where the X and Y are. I think is it because it has a secret icon and that's why it's confused?
X and Y.
Length of undefined.
You're splitting based off of the. You need to check if it contains a space before you. No.
Oh really? Okay.
No.
No, that's not right. That's not right. I'm wrong.
Okay. What word is it trying to say that it's sad about?
Oh. Well, it does.
Oh.
It's because you're doing index 2.
You need to check the length. Wait, go back.
Yeah.
Because you're always doing get value at 0 and get value at 1, right?
Oh. Yeah.
It should be either a loop or just an if. Yeah.
If length of text array is greater than 0, the Daryl way.
Greater than 1.
Greater than 1, the Daryl way. Dog. There, dog. Okay. You know what? It's good enough. And then set the outline.
I do like that they overlap just a little bit. It actually adds to it a little bit to me.
It's stylish. We are about business and style. Okay. That works. Let's see if everything works. Dog. Do we have the rights to this song? Because this is not a parody. Do. I don't know the rest of the song.
Wah, wah, wah. If I could whistle, I could do it properly.
Okay, I think the bottom word needs to go down a little bit.
Another 6 pixels or something, probably.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. I want to see all the dogs. Reporter dogs, very speedy. Not speedy enough. Library dog. Oh, right. Library dog's very, very speedy. No. Too fast.
They got you.
There's one more dog in chat.
Oh, amazing. Okay, I'll get it. Gotta get the dog. I oh my. Look at the girl to shine. Something get the dog. Ain't it sad?
Oh, I was looking at it. Okay.
Okay. Ain't it a shame? Too bad. Gotta get the dog. Peace. Whoa. Fishing dog?
Fishing dog.
Fishing dog. How fast is the fishing dog? Is it faster than
Pretty
library?
slow, I think. He takes it easy.
Okay, cool. Because library dog is currently too powerful. Could not ever beat. Okay, so slower than a library dog. Definitely slower than a reporter dog. What about a Potter dog?
Yeah, let's put him at 750, I guess.
Okay, sounds good. Potter dog, very meditative. There is a bit of hurry in fishing. Okay, and then this is going to be what should I call it?
Fish dog.
I
Very
guess,
clear.
like, in fishing, you gotta be reactive. You gotta react right away when it does stuff. And then you just sit there for the rest of the day. So it's just like this game.
It's how all fishing minigames work, you know? It's timing. You gotta click at the right moment. I'm sure that
Okay.
translates to real life.
Wait, there was a bug there. I don't know
I
what
can't
happened.
believe you just lost against first dog.
Yeah, that was a pretty embarrassing
I
one.
pushed A.
I didn't see any A button on the
Yeah, I
simulator
didn't see
being
the
pressed.
button.
I was
think you
looking
might
at
not
the
touch the button.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. Okay, I think maybe I want to set the state to be before I say the draw word. Maybe that's a bug. Okay, this looks great. I love the text. Now let's see. Let's make it so that Vivian can't lose the game. Game state. Okay, I'm going to put this here. Yes. Okay, that's good. I'm going to say that's what the issue was. Not that I'm bad at the game.
Not that no buttons were pressed on the simulator.
Mm. Okay, I had to push twice, but that's fine. Mayor dog. I feel like I want to test to see if the lose code works, but I also don't want to lose.
Especially the mayor dog. That's pretty low level.
Harry Potter. Fish dog. Oh, that S is cool. I think I'll probably lose that librarian dog anyway, so that's okay.
Got this, Vivian.
We believe in you, Ben.
No, it's not my fault. It cannot be one. I challenge anybody to play this game and beat library dog. It's not possible.
It's totally possible.
What should this be called?
You just gotta be better, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Fastest dog in the West.
Fastest dog in the Pacific Northwest? No, West. Any part of the West, they are fast. Okay, thanks everybody for joining us on our dog stream today. I am Vivian. I am at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Daryl at Darzoo on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joey at J1Drill on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard, and the lasers are harmless. No dogs were harmed.
No,
Yes,
they're laser pointers.
Yes, it's distracting the dogs, and they'll run away and not do their jobs, which is why we're taking
The
over.
laser's gonna sweep them off the stage because they follow it.
Thank you for clarifying, Richard. This is very important.
Yeah.
Bye.